Hey, welcome to my studio. Thank you for joining me in New Zealand. I'm Richard Robinson. Today we're going to be painting a dog. Not just any dog, this is my mum's little puppy, Bamsy. And I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone and paint her a Christmas present and do a video for you guys at the same time. So this one's going to cover, of course, painting a dog, but everything that goes into it. This is in oils, but you could paint in acrylics as well if you wanted to. I do give a few tips for that as well. So we're going to talk about laying in an interesting background first and then jumping right into the painting without any drawing. So that's quite interesting to see that process, but I also give you 3 other methods that you can use to get the drawing just right. One thing I'm really going to focus on in this lesson is the importance of edges. So soft edges versus hard edges, and why it's important to do that and how we can achieve that. We'll also look at how to paint the softness of fur, the wetness of the eyes and the nose, and those crisp little details that bring the whole thing together. And especially the eyes, you know, these are actually a lot simpler to paint than you would think. And I'll show you how to do that in the lesson. And we'll also talk about the importance of having a variety of paint texture in the painting, from smooth paint to really impasto paint, okay, and how to achieve that. So there's a lot going on in this lesson. It's only a simple dog portrait, but there are a lot of key skills involved in painting this. So I hope you'll join me and have fun painting a dog, maybe Bamsy, maybe the dog or cat or pet of your choice. Okay, let's get started.